Traders, welcome to Kajane Trade and Trade. Today's video, Bank Nifty review dated 16th June 21. Point number 1, wide CPR is a sideways market. Candles try to spend major time within a range. Stands good between R1 to S1 or previous day low to previous day high. This is today's CPR, little wide CPR. Candles try to spend major time within a range bound. See, entire day candles are within this range only. This range is about 400 points. This is the range bound market. Stands good between R1 to S1 or previous day low to previous day high. What is the mean? This is the R1 and this is the S1. This is the R1. This is stands good between these two boundary lines, R1 to S1. Candles try to be within this range. Point number 2, 2 days CPR relationship. It is an outside value, sideways, above previous day CPR. It's a bullish. See, this is previous day CPR and this is today's CPR. If you compare 2 days relationship, it is today's CPR is above the previous day CPR. It is a bullish. Point number 3, CPR opening trick. Opened within CPR. Candles opened within today's CPR. It's a sideways market. CPR is home for candles. CPR attracts the candles. CPR is home for candles. When little white CPR is formed, candles try to within the CPR. Just see this one. This is the CPR range. Candles try to be within the CPR or close to CPR only. CPR attracts the candles. When white CPR formed, when candles is above or below, CPR attracts the candles towards the home. See, this is the above candle. This is CPR, how it has attracted. Once the candles come in the CPR, it will be stay long time within CPR or close to the CPR only. This is the information available for a trader to take a profitable trade. See, this is easily we can judge today's market is sideways market. It is a range bound market. When market is a range bound market, as a trader we should be non-directional. We have to take a non-directional view. For a profitable trade we have to set up short straddle or strangle. See, MACD also how it is flat throughout the entire day. MACD indicates it is a flat, indicates that it is a range bound market. RSI also almost like an horizontal line. It is a flat only, indicates today's market is range bound market. When market is range bound, you have to short, straddle or strangle. To know about MACD, RSI, CPR, what is sideways market, what is narrow CPR, what are the 2 days relationship, you have to study and then only you have to take the trades. For this we are conducting 2 days workshop on Saturday and Sunday to learn and earn. Thank you.